Sabi nila dapat daw patient tayo pagdating sa trading. Pero paano mo malalaman or mapapakita on your chart yung patience? Ganito lang kasimple yan. Well, kung makikita nyo po dito sa chart na to, actually yung candlestick, it shows patience. How you react with these candles, it shows patience. For example, nagkaroon tayo dito ng rally movement. Ayan, drop. This is a drop. Sorry, that's drop ha. Nagkaroon ng drop. Okay, nagkaroon ng base, nagkaroon ng drop. Okay, expected na kapag may move na pataas, very steep pataas ang movement, expect natin na may kasunod na pababayan. Hindi pwedeng puro pataas lang kasi ang market. So we're expecting. Pero, paano mo sasabihin, coach, na patient ka? For this case, hindi ako nag-enter nung bumababa si market. Hindi ako nag-enter dyan. So, it shows my patience. I was waiting for the right candle. And coach, what's that right candle? Usually, pag ganito po ang setup, okay, nagkaroon ng impulsive movement to the upside, expect natin magkakaroon ng impulsive movement to the downside. Pero wait kayo, mag-neutralize ng konti yung candle. Ngayon, I was waiting for this one green candle. Ito po yung tinatawag natin na drop, base, drop. Okay, sa supply and demand lesson natin, or DBD, drop, base, drop. Ngayon, i-highlight nyo as a zone itong buong area na to. Ngayon, hintayin nyo. Kahit gaano katagal man yan, hintayin nyo. Ayan, hintay, hindi ako nag-enter on this area, hindi ako nag-enter on this area. I was waited for the time na mag-touch ulit yung price pabalik sa zone na to. And then, that's the time na nag-enter ako ng selling opportunity. And look where that patience delivered me, 'di ba? Through profit.